You know when you used to do something consistently tapos nawala ka lang ng 2 or 3 weeks tapos hindi mo na alam ulit kung paano mo siya susimulan? Well, yun yung nangyari sa akin. So, hi! Welcome to my vlog. By now na I got a haircut. Pero matagal akong di nag-upload kasi I waited for it to grow like kasi 2 weeks ago ganito lang siya nakaganto lang yung 2 weeks ago ganyan yung itsura niya. Pero ngayon kumaba na siya ng onte. And you know when your haircut is bad tapos parang yun lang kasi yung personality ko today. Throughout that process of growing my hair, I feel so naked. Hindi ako makalabas. Ewan, kasi I feel more confident pag maganda yung buhok ko. Like if it's styled. Kahit hindi siya styled, basta mahaba siya and it hides my big forehead. Kasi oh my god, I have a big forehead. So yeah, I went to Makati last week to shoot a vlog pero I decided to scrap it kasi inatake ako ng insecurity. I don't look good in that. I mean, I can say na maganda yung outfit ko that time pero hindi maganda yung hair. And when I don't feel confident about my hair, I don't feel confident with my whole look. So yeah, I decided to scrap that video. Pero hindi naman siya nasayang. I decided to create a reel out of that. Yeah, so it's been 2 weeks since then and my hair is long enough for me to feel comfortable going out na ulit. You know what? Hindi bagyo yung makakapagpapigil sa akin lumabas ng bahay. It's bad haircut. Anyway. So yeah, my content for today is I am going to look for coffee shops na student friendly kasi it's been a struggle for me since I started enrolling in an online university. It's hard to associate home with school and work kasi it just won't work. Gusto ko kasi kapag nasa isang place ako, I will associate that place with an activity. So kung kunwari dito sa room ko, I sleep here and I do my work here. Tapos yes, sa sala, I do some school and vlog stuffs there. So yeah, I can find a space here in this house where I can consistently study. So as much as I can, I go out para I get to see new things, I get to explore new flavors then and new foods. Oh my god, food is already plural. Let's go sa BGC. So I'm going around BGC to look for coffee shops that are student friendly. I have this criteria. I am going to measure the student friendliness by first is comfortability. So self-service ba yung cafe or is it something na parang may lalapit sa'yo na oh sir, do you wanna order? Yeah, or pupunta ka na sa counter tapos order ka, then they'll just call you. It's not a deal breaker naman or anything. I prefer self-service cafe kasi it's the traditional way of ordering. I don't like when people come in my space and then like wait for my order. Hindi ako comfortable sa ganun. So as much as I can, I try to find cafes na self-service. Next naman is yung price. Is it budget friendly or stuff? So, well, yeah, budget is such a huge factor why some people don't do this. Kasi if you look at the exteriors and the interiors of the cafe minsan sa BGC, it's intimidating kasi first, maraming foreigner, the place is so fancy, and there are a lot of old people hanging there, so you're gonna assume na oh it's for them, it's not for us. Pero this is to help you see na it's not just for them, it's for everyone. Maganda pala dito pag ganitong oras kasi usually pag mapunta kang dito gabi. What makes a coffee shop student friendly ultimately is when they have an electric socket. Pag may saksakan sila ng na laptop. Kasi although my MacBook can last like 1.5 day of internet browsing, siguro yung mga gawa ng assignments, yeah, it can last like that much. Pero for others na hindi naka MacBook or old na yung mga laptops, of course expect natin na nagde-deteriorate na rin yung batteries. That makes some place for me student friendly or work friendly or anything or customer friendly. Yung meron sila lang sa Canon charger. It feels like they care about people working on something dun sa cafe. I feel like the price and the taste are just secondary kasi you should expect na the coffee shops there are going to be above the average price point. Kasi of course, they need to pump those prices kasi they have margins to keep up. They have to pay their rent, pay their workers, buy their ingredients and stuff. I will try to find some that are budget friendly. Okay, bye, let's go. Hello. So, nandito ako sa Barista Coffee. And nandito ako sa labas. Kasi mas mainit lang sa loob, tapos ang ingay pa. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, pero I'm not in this place kasi nandun ako sa loob initially, pero masyadong crowded tapos ang ingay pa ng mga katabi mo. And I hate people like that. Walang special awareness. So I'm here outside. I'm gonna have some trouble concentrating kasi medyo mainit. But it's okay.
So dito sa Montague order siya?
Yeah. They gave me free ice cream kasi mainit. And I love that they're very considerate. Okay, I'm taking back whatever negative review I've given. I don't think na meron akong nasabing anything negative. It's actually good. Hindi ako magaling sa ganito. Parang ayaw ka na mag-explore ng ibang cafe. Masyado na komportable dito. And besides, walang tao masyado. Nandun sila sa loob. It's actually a lot colder here. Dun sa loob. Dun sa loob, I can see them sweating like so hard. Lumalabas na yung pinapawis na yung t-shirt nila sa sobrang init. Pero ako dito, I'm chill, I'm cool. Sumakat yung tiyan ko. And I'm not sure if I can consume another coffee kasi baka lumala ang sakit. Oh my god. Ano siya, parang pinipilipit. Natapos ko na yung reading assignment ko sa isang subject ko. And I'm just looking for another place where I can do some school stuffs. I found a library. Hindi ko alam na may ganito na pala dito. Anyway, puntahan natin. Tapos
shall I compare to a summer day? She's the sun, she fill out the gray. Quench my thirst, she's my lemonade. The yellow that I couldn't paint. Shall I compare to a summer day? Just like the sun, it will never fade. The cool breeze in the shade, my four leaves to the blade. Right to my mistakes.
I'm gonna sit for a while kasi pagod na ako. Hindi naman siya nakakapagod like physically. Napagod ako kasi the air feels heavy. I think it's because of the pollution. So I decided to stay on this place muna.
You put this icebox where my heart used to be, my dear. Not too fond of the idea that you would come my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take its toll. 'Cause she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I know. I just know she'll be my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever side. She's all I know, 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 she's all I know.
She's all I know, 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 she's all I know.
Shall I compare to a summer day?
Hello. Hindi ko natupad yung promise ko maghahanap ako ng tatlong cafe. Well, kasi sa unang coffee shop pa lang sumakit na yung tiyan ko. And then after that, sumama na rin yung pakiramdam ko. So, hindi ko na siya napanindigan. So, after ko mag-coffee shop, naglakad-lakad na lang ako sa BGC kasi I'm trying to calm myself. Kasi parang humihilab yung tiyan ko kanina. Hindi ko alam kung yung coffee ba yung reason or yung tinapay. Pero I have a strong feeling na yung coffee yun. Kasi sa unang sip pa lang, nag-react na agad yung tiyan ko. I'm home. If you can tell, this is my room. And ang gagawin ko na lang is magluluto ako ng dinner kasi di rin ako nakakain. Hindi ko alam bakit wala akong gana sa daan, pero now na nasa bahay na ako, gusto ko na kumain ng something. Yeah, I want something na homemade kasi wala ako sa mood kumain ng fast food. Kanina tinry ko naman, pumunta ako sa Jollibee. Tapos I tried to order. Kaso nung naamoy ko yung chicken, para akong naduduwal na ewan. Tapos on the way, parang nag-crave ako sa adobo. So, magluluto ako ng adobo. This is going to be my first cooking vlog. Let's go! I am going to wear this apron here to 5. Anyway, I need to prepare yung ingredients muna. Okay pang thumbnail. Nakalimutan kong i-defrost yung pork. Sobrang tagal yung naluto and I'm so hungry. I'm eating in my room kasi I don't know why. There's a looming feeling of abandonment. Pero I don't know how to explain this. This happens kapag you attach yourself to someone tapos someone just decided to not talk to you. It's fine though, masarap naman yung kinakain. Anyway, kanina, may realization ako. So, in a day, ang ginastos ko is 700 pesos. And did I really enjoy that 700 pesos? So, I'm trying to evaluate, is it worth it spending that much for myself every weekend? I don't think so. So, starting now, I would like to be more conscious sa mga gastos ko. Kasi, I want to go to places every month. Gusto kong mag-out of town every month. I won't be able to achieve that kapag wala naman ako naiipon. So, starting today, I'm going to make a more conscious decision sa paggastos ng pera. I really need to then kasi I'm one hospitalization away from being broke, and I don't want that type of anxiety na what if I suddenly got really sick and I need to get confined. Where am I gonna get the money? I don't want to fund my hospitalization bills with that. I want to, build my emergency fund. So that's going to be my focus for the next few months. I want to at least raise like 6 times my salary. I'm earning this much money every month, and I want to have an emergency fund that is 6 times the value of that. Then I can splurge again on trip, on food, and everything basically. So starting today, may magiging theme ng vlog ko is to live simply and experiment some food. For the past few days, I've been trying to find some good angles for me to do a cooking vlog. Kasi I know myself, I know the flavors I want to eat. I know the flavors I want to taste. So yeah, I am going to start a serious living alone vlog. That would include cleaning my apartment, buying things for my apartment, cooking food. Siguro mag-okay content na rin ako if ever. Kasi I want to evolve. I don't want to just stick on one niche, yung hiking. I want to do a lot of things. Yun lang. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. And I hope I can build something that relates to you soon. I want to, you know, connect with you more. You're my only friend. This has been my video. I hope you enjoyed this. And I'll see you guys on my next hike vlog. Bye bye.